On this millennial review, we're going to look at the Cascade Tools Hog Ring Pliers. I purchased these off of Amazon, and I'll have a link down in the description below on how to get these for yourself. But basically, this is a set of hog ring pliers for either use, on things like sausage bags or on a nice piece of upholstery, just like this. And inside of here, what we're going to have a package of 200 of these hog rings, and then we're going to have a small set of hog ring pliers. And these are actually nicer than I was expecting. They've got a little spring mechanism to them, which is a nice thing. But basically the idea here with a hog ring, what you can go ahead and do is you place that inside of the pliers, just like so. And then when you squeeze it together, it's going to squeeze up just like it should. So what a set of hog ring pliers do is they'll actually link this round little loop that's right there that we have to attach to a strap that's actually inside of the seat. And that's going to link around. Go ahead, hook that in, and then just going to get it nice and tight. And as you can see, that pulled in just like it should have. So again, make sure that's hooked on, push in, and then just like that, hog ring pliers, tighten that up, and now we can go ahead and continue pushing down the upholstery. In all, I think the Cascade Tools Hog Ring Pliers are very nice, especially considering the price. These guys seem to do a pretty good job. Their heft is nice. I like the fact that it's got a spring, which helps keep the hog rings inside of here. And the 4 seats that I had to use this on today, these just worked really well. Well, go ahead, hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. If you want a pair of these Cascade Tools Hog Ring Pliers, I got a link down in the description. So thank you so much for watching.